Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how I maintain my straight hair. I had it straightened about 2.5-3 weeks ago where I got a trim. So I have not put any more heat on my hair. So I'm going to show you how I keep up with it, especially when it's humid out. So yeah, let's get into it. So I always go to sleep with a bun like so. I'll show you how I put it up at the end of the video, but this is how I sleep with my hair. And I love this hair tie because it does not cause a lot of dents. It's possible it will if you wrap it around too many times or too tight, but it's silk, so this is like perfect. And as you can see near my roots, I do have like a little frizz. We went rollerblading in the hot, humid yesterday, so yeah. So I kind of just give it a little shake, and my hair has a lot of dandruff these days. So what I do is I start from the bottom and I kind of comb out. But the way I put the bun in gives my hair a wave, so that's why it's wavy like that. But this is just gonna go behind my ears anyway, so I'm not really worried. But lately, oh my gosh, it has been itching like crazy, and that's why I love this product right here, Cantu, tea tree, and jojoba oil. So good. And I like that it has the tip because you can, it's like when you just scratch, it just goes in there. So good. So that's what I do for my dandruff. And as you can see, it does come out whenever, there we go. That is a lot, but you can squirt out as much as you want at a time. And I just take it and go everywhere, and it just feels so good. So this is what I do for my roots. Wherever it is very itchy or the places that I have a lot of dandruff. And then I kind of just massage it in. You can see all of the little frizzies. It's all good. I'm not gonna put more heat on my hair. Okay, and then for the ends, when they start to look a little dry, this side is a little more frizzy. I'll show you what I do. I take Garnier Fructis Slick and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. I take a good pump, a full pump, and I start at the top and I work my way down. And it really does just hydrate it and gives it that shine that it is needing at this time. And I really make sure I get the ends. And your hair just looks brand new. I do not do this every day. I will say that. I don't do this every day. If you do it every day, your hair will get totally weighed down. So do not do it every day. Just when your hair starts to either itch, use this one, and when the end starts to get dry and fluffy, this will tame it. So that is what I do. I am going to put some of this right right in here, because I do have a lot of dandruff in this area. So I don't know what's in my throat. And we're like brand new. So that is what I do. Give it a good little shake to kind of bring it out some. But yeah, that is what I do. Length is, my hair is getting longer. I am going to talk about hair growth tips in an upcoming video to let you guys know how I achieved this length, because I did the big chop at some point and my hair actually grew back longer than what it was. So this is what I do. I hope this was helpful to you guys. These are my straight hair products. I do not use these on my curly hair. This one could be nice for the curls, but I don't even use it. I just only use it when my hair is straight. And week 3, I have not had to put any more heat on my hair. It's been in the 80s, sometimes 90s, very humid, and my hair has lasted. Now, when I am outside, I will say that I can kind of tell when my hair is starting to, you know, act crazy. If I work out, you know, when you work out, your hair like sweats and it just gets really itchy. What I do is I just put my hair in the bun that you saw when I first came on for the video. I just wrap it to kind of just tame it whenever I know it's humid out, or if I'm like working out or something. Rarely work out. When I do, if I'm doing something outdoors, riding a bike, rollerblading, something with Kenya, then I make sure that my hair is put up. So this is the end result. This is what I do when I go to bed. I just take my hair like this and I wrap it around my fingers, and I wrap it around, and then I take my hair tie and I go around twice, and then I put my bonnet on at night. So really, I'm not messing with the part. I'm not doing anything extra. It's very low maintenance. And then in the morning, take my bonnet off, take the hair tie out, and we're back looking nice, you know, just like that, just like that. So you know, I don't have straight hair often, but this is what I do every time I have straight hair. And honestly, my hair could last a full month. It will get itchy, which is usually the reason why I go and wash it, is because the itch becomes unbearable. It's not because my hair isn't straight anymore. My hair could literally be straight without me wrapping it, just with me doing this routine. So let me know if this was helpful, especially during this humidity. If you have my hair type, go ahead and find these products. They are really good for straight hair. This one is actually even good to do right before you straighten your hair. It's not a heat protectant, but it still is great for maintaining frizz. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.